Today we're going to talk about embryological development of the face. When we look at development occurs in the upper face and the lower face. We'll take one region at a time and explain that and then go to the opposite region. Using a picture, we'll draw where the embryological structures develop from. The frontal processor covering of the brain will develop the forehead and has three downwardly growing growths that grow from it. The median nasal process develops from the frontal process and is responsible for forming the center to tip of the nose and the nasal septum. Right and left lateral nasal process will develop off the frontal process as well and are responsible for forming the sides of the nose. Once the center to tip of the nose are formed, the median nasal process will change names and is now called the globular process. The globular process will form the philtrum. As the frontal process develops, branchial-arch 1 is developing as well. Branchial-arch 1 is a mesodermal bar that's responsible for forming the lower face. On the outer aspects of branchial-arch 1, two upwardly growing developmental growths can be seen. These growths are maxillary processes. The maxillary processes are responsible for forming the mid-face. The maxillary processes grow upward and inward. The maxillary processes will continue development until they touch the lateral nasal process and the globular process. Let's move a little closer and take a look at the fusion of the globular process with the maxillary processes, or clinically, the fusion of the philtrum with the sides of the upper lip. If fusion of these areas does not occur, the formation of a cleft lip can occur. The failure of fusion typically occurs during the 7th week in utero. Cleft lip can be unilateral, bilateral, complete, or incomplete, or any variation in between.